Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to send files from your iPhone to your PC or from your PC to your iPhone, vice versa. You have to install this app called Local Send. It's available on Linux and Windows and also Mac. You also have to install it on your iPhone. So if you want to send files from your iPhone to your Windows PC, you have to be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. As you can see, my PC and my phone are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Now what you have to do is to click on Send on your iPhone. You're going to see your PC right here. You can select a media, text, and file. I'm going to click on media. I'm going to use one picture as an example in this video. And click on send and select the PC you want to send it to. In my case here, it is Dell Latitude 7400. Click on it. And on your PC, you're going to see it right here. It will tell you to accept from your iPhone. Just click on accept. And there you go, you have sent the file to your PC. You can open it from here. What if you want to send files from your PC to your iPhone? Here's what you have to do. Click on Done and click on Send. Select the file you want to send. Select it and you're going to search for your iPhone under there. Also make sure you click on Done on your phone to be on the home page. If you're not seeing your iPhone on the Local Send on Windows, click on Refresh. When you click on Refresh, it's going to bring up the nearby device, which is my iPhone 14 Pro Max. Just click on it, and it's going to show here, Accept from Dell Latitude 7400. Click on Accept, and the file will be moved to your iPhone. So that's how you send files to your iPhone using your Windows PC or to your PC using your iPhone, vice versa. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.